Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys realme phone bluetooth setting friends. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we forget our bluetooth headphone to our realme phone. Guys with realme phone guys you want to forget your bluetooth headphones friends, you can forget your bluetooth device to your phone. And guys now let's see how to forget it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all open your phone setting and scroll it guys. So friends you can see bluetooth setting, friends tap here. Friends you can see guys we have connected this bluetooth headphone guys pattern BT, and friends you want to forget this bluetooth device network. So friends how can you forget? So friends right side you can see this icon guys, tap here. So just click on this unpair option means forget, then it will unpair means it will forget to your phone, then guys you cannot use this headphone guys you want to use, so you will have to connect again means you will have to pair, then guys you can use this bluetooth headphone with your realme phone. So like that guys you can forget your bluetooth headphone network in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, we will meet on next video, bye friends.